I just got back from my trip and I wanted to share this packing cube for my makeup and my skincare. This thing was so perfect for making sure that everything stayed put. I had my sun stuff on this side. I love that there's 4 different compartments. So if I open this, I have a flap where I can put like little things in between. And then I have a full spot here where I can put a bunch of things that are thicker. And I love the color. It was just a really pretty blue color. They do have other options as well. And then I put all of my little things for my makeup on this side. And then I had my other items over here. So it makes it nice to be able to keep things compartmentalized. If you have little things you don't want to, get lost or move around too much, you can put them in these little pockets. But the zippers are really well made. It folds up nicely. It is super good quality and durable, but not too heavy. So you're not gonna have to worry about it weighing extra in your bag. And then if you're packing and you don't have a thick enough suitcase to have it going this way, you can just have it in your suitcase spread open like this and then pack more clothes on top. So lots of options for you to be able to pack it too. I love this. And one side of this, if you were to just have liquids in one side that were all under 4 ounces, I believe this would be okay with TSA as long as you didn't fill up the whole thing with liquids. I checked this bag, but like typically when I go through, you could do a quart for liquids as long as they're under the recommended amount for TSA. So check it out. I think you'll like it. I'll link it for my YouTubers in my description. And they have a ton of colors, but I just wanted something that wasn't beige. I'm kind of into the whole color thing, if you haven't noticed with my nails. Matches.